In an effort to help all registered IHSA basketball officials hone their officiating skills, the IHSA has created a series of instructional videos to assist in providing a clear understanding of the expectations of officials when it comes to officiating the sport of basketball. In this video, we will discuss the rules involving uniforms and equipment. The first item for discussion is the color of the visitors' uniforms. According to the NFHS rules, the visiting team should be wearing a dark contrasting color from the white home team jerseys. Looking at these uniforms, we see the visitors' jerseys are a darker color, but do they contrast enough from the home team to be considered legal? According to the NFHS, the color of a visiting team jersey must be a minimum shading of 70% to the home team's white color in order to be considered clearly contrasting. Since these jerseys appear not to meet this 70% standard, they should be ruled as illegal and penalized accordingly. And what is the penalty for an illegal uniform? 1 technical foul, and only 1, regardless of the number of uniforms that may be illegal, and it is charged directly to the head coach, resulting in the loss of the coaching box privileges. Next, let's take a look at the undershirts. Undershirts need to be a single solid color, similar to the torso of the jersey. Looking at the visiting team, we see these players wearing black undershirts under a light gray uniform, which are clearly not similar. Therefore, these undershirts are to be considered illegal, and any player wearing one is not allowed to participate. Remember, if an illegal undershirt is not discovered until after they have already played in the game, no technical foul should be assessed. Simply direct those players to leave the game and not allowed to return until the issue is resolved. Next, taking a look at what the home team is wearing, we will see this player here has a couple of black arm sleeves on. This player is wearing a white leg sleeve, and this player back here has a white headband. According to Rule 3, Section 5, Article 3, we know leg, arm, and knee sleeves are legal, as long as they are black, white, beige, or the predominant color of the jersey, which they are. So what's the problem? Well, if we read the rule a little further, we'll also see the same color sleeves shall be worn by teammates, and sleeves and tights shall be the same color as any headband or wristband. This means every player must be wearing the same color, all black or all white, even if they are wearing something different. So how should the officials handle the situation in this clip, as these players are already in the game? There is no penalty assessed to any player wearing illegal equipment or apparel. Once the conflicting colors are discovered, the officials should verify which color the team selects to be worn, and then direct the player or players wearing the incorrect color to leave the game. The last observation that is worth mentioning in this video is the numbers on the uniforms. As you can see here, the visiting team has a number that is the same color as the jersey with a narrow border around it. This style of number is currently legal. However, starting in the 2024-2025 basketball season, the number will need to be a solid color that contrasts with the color of the jersey, just like you see on the home team jerseys here. So even though this rule is not in effect for a couple more seasons, it is important to start recognizing them now, so when the 24-25 season does arrive, we will be ready to identify and handle accordingly.